Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a drawing tutorial. But if you can't draw this character, can you draw anything? No offense if you can't draw this character. It's a very simple tutorial. And you notice this is a Sky, the air dragon. Most folks call her the rainbow dragon. Well, in her world, she lives in the sky. That's why we call her Sky. Anyways, let's get on. So first, we will be drawing an angel. In the fine text in black, we can make it yellow just because it's an angel. So we're going to be drawing an angel. So first you need the head, and then the body. We're gonna make it shaped like this, and then the wings. Very simple wings. And then we make a triangle at the bottom. We put a line in between. We make little circles. And then we draw some lines like this. Wait, I messed this up. Okay, we draw some lines like this. And then we make the hands like this, like they're praying. And then we add the halo, and then the closed eyes. Oof. And then you can add some hair. I don't care what you do with the hair on yours. But I'm just gonna leave it bold. And you can even color it. I don't know what to do for this character. But that was an angel tutorial. Like this video. I want 3 likes on this video for a more complex tutorial. And this is an angel. I try my best not to do these shading characters like Sky scarf. Yeah, you can do that on a piece of paper, but you can do it online, I think. Well, you can do it with a paintbrush, but I don't think all of you want to draw something with a paintbrush. But this over here, I didn't use any of the shading because I thought it would look like dragon scales, dragon theme, you know, guys. So, subscribe if you want to see more of Sky, or if you want a tutorial for her, or if you want more complex tutorials. Bye, guys. Bye.